Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm Shelly Miles. Welcome to San Antonio Living. It is the perfect weekend to be outside, and I know you're going to be wanting to grill with the latest toys. And so our grilling gal, Kathy, has brought in something called the Pit Barrel. How are you?
I'm great, Shelly. How are you?
I am fantastic. I've seen this thing around,
Right.
and it's pretty awesome. Everyone's talking about this. Why is the Pit Barrel special?
Well, number one, it's very contained, okay? And anybody from a beginner to a seasoned cooker can cook on this first time without any issues.
And the cool thing about it is that things like hang,
Right.
which is pretty awesome.
Yeah, we'll open that up in just a second. What I used in here, if Alex can show down there real quick, I've got my B&B charcoal
Okay.
and then the B&B starter. So you start with that. You put a layer of coals in the bottom of the basket that's in here. Then you start some coals in the starter. When the starter's ready, you dump it on top of the basket in here.
Okay, and this is what I love because you mentioned it's all self-contained. Take a look on inside the Pit Barrel. Everything hangs from one of these cool little rods, and it gets that really good smoky flavor.
So what we've got here is, we'll go ahead and pull these potatoes off. They should be done.
Hot.
Yep. So these are Tuscan fingerling potatoes. I just put a little bit of Greek season and olive oil and potato pepper on them.
Okay.
Okay.
And of course, Kathy's using special Pit Barrel grill little mitts.
Yes, yes. And these accessories come with, when you get your Pit Barrel, it comes with just a few things, but you can order the combo basket. And the combo package has this, that basket, a corn on the cob basket, a sausage basket, a turkey hanger, and skewers.
Wow.
It just comes up with so many things.
Very cool.
So
I
there's
like
your
that.
hot dogs.
Everything on one little hanger into our Pit Barrel. You even did some hamburgers in there. Very
I'm
cool.
not quite sure where my tongs are, but that's okay because these gloves work just perfect. Just pull that baby right off of there.
Okay, this is fantastic. When you're doing like a small backyard barbecue and you want to be able to feed everyone, and you've got all of these great little concoctions, you can make an entire plate of barbecue in one area.
Yep.
And look how everything comes out nice and delicious.
I put the potatoes on at 9 a.m.
Okay.
So they took right at an hour. And with those fingerling potatoes, when you bite into them, it's like biting into a mini baked potato. It's just fluffy and nice and wonderful and juicy.
Those look so good. And it sounds like a whole lot of fun when you're working with something new. Everybody loves to have fun outside in the backyard. Now, Kathy's been busy catering all over the place. You did my graduation party just last weekend. And this week you're working on a party of 300 plus.
It's actually 425 with 3 menus. A wedding buffet of 325, a wedding party of 50, and a kids menu of 50. So yeah.
You've taken your Texas style catering quite far, my friend. If people want information about the Pit Barrel,
Right.
what's the best place to find out?
Well, locally, they're sold at Grand Scenes Meat Market. Okay, or you can go to pitbarrelcooker.com and order online from them. They're great folks. They're great people. T-shirt is wonderful. It's nice and soft. They have hats. They're just great people. It's a good cooker for Texas. I highly recommend it. Get the cover. It'll last you a lifetime.
Okay.
And when you want to travel with it, everything goes inside. Put the lid on it. Put it in your truck.
Super simple. And again, today we just made sort of backyard barbecue stuff, hot dogs, hamburgers, things like that. But you can make steaks, everything on this.
Matter of fact, when I was in Fort Worth, the female that won the first place steak and got a golden ticket to the World Food Champ, she was using the 14-inch Pit Barrel. So
I'll tell you what, this looks great. I'm going to dig in, but I'm going to give you all of Kathy's information. Oh my gosh, look at those potatoes. So good. Guys, if you're looking for a Texas-style caterer, check in with Pullin Premium Barbecue. She is at PullinPremiumBBQ.com. You can also find her on Facebook, and you can give her a call at 210-363-1264.